Dancing contemporary with his partner Daniela Karagoc, it's Dylan Efron.
Nothing could keep us apart. You'd be the one I was meant to find. It's up to you, and it's up to me. No one can say what we get to be. So why don't we